Hey Hoopers, Tanuki Twirls here to show you that if you can do a handspin, you can do a one-handed helicopter. Step 1 is your prerequisite. Make sure you have a good handspin. Step 2, practice multiple handspins in a row. Handspin catch, handspin catch. Step 3 is trying to make step 2 continuous, so try to perform the handspins without stopping, just like so. Your final step will be performing a continuous handspin while turning in the direction of the hand performing that handspin. Here, the hoop is in my right hand, so I'm turning towards my right. And here, the hoop's in my left hand, so I'm turning towards my left. And there you have your mini tutorial for the one-handed helicopter. For the full comprehensive tutorial and breakdown and transition variations such as this one, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Thank you so much for watching. The $1 tier helps support mini tutorials and content on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. The $5 tier grants you access to 4 Patreon exclusive tutorials per month. The most popular $10 tier is unlimited tutorials, workshops, written content, and polls. Last tier is capped at max 1 student per month, all of the above with a 30-minute lesson with me.